All right, we're on the job now. Another day of mulch blowing here in December. It's the 14th. It's about 20 something degrees out. And yeah, we're gonna blow some mulch today. Pretty dry too.
Oh yeah, came yesterday, so obviously I'll fluff up the first layer and then you want to check it out first?
Yeah, let's see what it looks like. Did they get like 4 feet of snow down here when they had the big storm? Down right here?
We started this one before the storm. So this side's just getting topped off. Just like low spots, all that. That's really not a priority. If I don't get that done, I don't get it done.
Oh, this one.
Getting these 2 pits filled in.
This one looks a lot nicer than that other one.
It's all frozen now too, which is nice. We were able to spread. I mean, we had dirt here. We were just spreading muck yesterday, but it's frozen now. So this all gets filled up to the slide. Pretty thick here. And this is the big pit over here.
Does this all get filled in too, or just the...
This is all getting sodded.
Oh, okay.
We're waiting for Lakeside to give us a call. They said they were cutting...
Today?
No, yesterday afternoon, but I don't know. I hope. I need to get the hell out of here. So yeah, this one, and this one.
Okay.
And this one's getting filled up to this elevation.
All the way across?
Yeah. So, I mean, I don't know what the best way where you want to park your trailer
I think the best shot's like right here, right on this bend. This gate opens, right?
Yeah.
You know, I had to use a gate. There we go.
Then you need the big hose, right?
Well, we're gonna need it all the way to get over to there.
Yeah,
but
that firewall.
either way, this is probably the best shot in. I just wish we could put it somewhere we can load it while we run it, but whatever.
Well, I was almost thinking, like, you just standing here, when it gets low, I might just drive around. And then once my dump trailer gets here, I'll dump piles over here, and I can just scoop it in, so we can just leave the machine running all day.
Yeah, because 60 yards, it's probably the most I've ever done. That'd be the most I've ever done in one day if we can do it. I think the most I've ever done was 40.
Yeah, I mean, this is gonna be close. I mean, he brought me 50 yards. I don't know if we'll use all of it.
But mulch on site and not having to move the truck 800 times and move the hose everywhere makes it.
Yeah, I mean, that'll make a big difference.
I just put myself like right here. You can load.
Okay.
Time is now 7:50. We're loading up the hopper for the first time. We should be spraying by 8 o'clock. Let's see. Niagara Falls. Hamburg, currently 25 degrees right now. And it's only getting up to 31, so it's gonna be a cold one today. We'll make do. My ears are freaking freezing right now. Gonna get bundled up with the Carhartts. Trying to stay warm. Yeah, I'm at the pit now if you want to break it and leave that green one on.
Amazing how difficult everything is when it's fucking winter like this.
Well, these are difficult every time. It's good and bad.
Yeah.
It means that it's sealed tight and it won't come off. But it's sealed tight and it won't come off. Oh shit. Well, did you order yours yet?
What's up?
Did you order yours?
Yeah.
So it's not just purchasing the machine and owning the machine. Every year we got to buy a section of hose too.
Oh really?
Because it's that stuff you got to maintain and replace all the fucking time.
Yeah.
We buy like a 50-foot section every year because it goes bad.
Pricey?
Yeah, because the couplings are $200, and then like one 50-foot section is like $700 of hose every year. But now we're getting to the point where we have the hose we want with these couplings. These are called full flow couplings. See, the couplings on the outside of the hose, so there's nothing on the inside to restrict it. Like, well, this one's on the inside of the hose, so this coupling in here catches mulch, and those unscrew nice. So we can reuse the couplings once we get enough of them. Then we can just buy the hose itself. But still, it's like every freaking year it's the same.
Yeah, it's kind of annoying.
Every day, yeah. Well, this has been eventful. Loaded up, ready to go. Just spent 20 minutes. This thing is freaking frozen. All right, that's good. The floor doesn't look like it's frozen. I was just saying, I've never ever had this happen, because I normally don't spray when it's like 25 degrees.
That's what I was gonna say.
Who the hell mulches when it's 25? This is the latest I've ever done, because there's no demand. There's not a whole lot of demand in December for mulch.
But if they call, you'll go.
We're here.
Yeah.
I literally winterized it like last week, so I had to pull it back out. It's moving.
How'd you do it?
Kept trying it, and then I dug a little bit out of one of the corners, and then it started to go a little bit more.
Yeah.
And I said, all right, cool. Like right in the top here. Then the other part worked. The floor moved a little bit. I said, okay, we're good then. I was just saying, like, I've never had this problem because I never spray.
I was thinking.
Now we're moving.
Huh?
Now we're moving. You got more guys coming today?
Yeah.
So what, they're supposed to be bringing you sod?
They haven't answered yet.
A bus trying to pull in? Looks like they're loading the kid up right now. They watched him walk.
No, they're not coming in now.
What's the deal now? We gotta move.
The bus is coming at 9 o'clock, so keep an eye out for it. Let's just keep going.
Park it.
Yeah, we got trees coming today too.
Oh, really? Trees and possibly sod too. Roller's moving full speed. Engine's running like garbage. What do you think of that? It's out right now, so
Yeah, that's fine.
we'll move over there, I guess, and
Yeah, I'll load you up then.
yep, hopper's empty. This would be the completed project. I got this area mulched up, a couple inches all filled in, and some top dressing. Looks brand new. This area is starting to shape up. They just put these bushes in, shrubs in, trees, whatever you want to call them. This was filled in this morning. This pit right here is filled in. It's got about probably 18 inches of material in it, and yeah, they're working on planting trees, so it's moving right along. I'm out of here. My work here is complete. Good thing I came back. This would be an expensive thing to leave behind. All right, fellas. See you guys. Yeah, I'm all. Good thing I came back to get this thing.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Let us know if you need something else in the spring.
Dude, give me a price for those
A little bit warmer.
properties, and I'll those ones you do right by me, I'll just add it on.
All right.
Shoot you those addresses. Just let me know how much to blow the mulching. You guys are right there anyway.
Yep.
They're in that same plaza on
Yeah, we got a stage up there. We'll
You
get
got a what?
we'll get 3 trash trailers dumped on one property, and we'll just work out of there for that whole Amherst area.
yeah, we usually get like 90 yards delivered at Greenview.
Oh, really? That much?
Yeah. Well, for like 2 properties. Yeah, it works pretty well.
All right.
Guys, let me know, man.
Yeah, I think we're all good here.
Thank you.
See ya.